Hi there, I'm Cool Mountain Man, and once again, I'm in the garden. Hey, just about everyone I talk to say that they love roses. I know, in fact, they are one of my absolute all-time favorite flowers. And a lot of times when people see my roses, they wonder, how do I get so many blooms so often? I think one of my biggest secrets to having my roses perform well has got to be in the pruning. Sometimes it seems like the more I prune my roses, the more they grow. Now, I want to share a couple tips and tricks that I utilize that hopefully you can use in your own garden and get your roses to perform a lot better. And if you've never tried growing roses, maybe this will encourage you so you can give it a try. All right, come with me and let's get started. All right, this is my first piece of advice. Once your blooms have expired, the petals are falling off, and your flowers die back, they're gonna start to produce these. These are called rose hips. And these are basically the fruit of the rose. They're producing seeds. And when your rose is putting energy into producing these, they are not putting energy towards producing more roses, which is what we want. We want more flowers, more blooms, more beauty, more fragrance. So we want to prune all of these off. And you don't even have to wait for them to get to this stage. Once your petals are falling off and your flowers, your roses don't look as pretty as they were, you can go ahead and start pruning those off then. But I'm gonna show you how I do it. Of course, you wanna cut out any dead wood or any diseased wood, and we wanna cut off all of these rose hips. All right, let me show you how I do it. All right, as you can see here, sadly, all of our blooms are gone. It's time to get busy pruning these. Now, usually I've already pruned all these back, but because I wanted to create this video, I was allowing these to go a little bit longer than I normally let them so that I could show you guys what we got here. Now, this right here, we want to prune back to the first set of 5 leaves. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. This right here is a set of 3 leaves. But if we come down here, this is the first set that has 5 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna make our cut right here. Another set right here. Follow it down, as you can see. About 2 leaves there. And then here, we can see this 5-leaf formation right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna wanna make our cut right at the base of that, right here. That way you're gonna see new growth form right from there. A set of 3 leaves. Now back in here, as we can see, a set of 5 leaves right here. And we're gonna wanna make our cut right about here. Now there may be certain spots where you can't follow all the way down to 5 leaves, like this, for example. You got a lot of new growth growing there, so all we're gonna wanna do is just cut these forming rose hips here, spent flowers. We're just gonna wanna cut those out of there, like so. And this one here, just go ahead and cut those out. That way, we're gonna leave this growth here. Here's another good example. Here we see the spent flowers, and then we're gonna follow the stem all the way down. There's 1 leaf, here is a set with 3 leaves. And then right here, we can see a set with 5 leaves again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna cut this right here. And this is just a great opportunity to shape your roses also. Sometimes they grow a little uneven and you can shape them up to look a lot nicer this way. And if you do as I'm doing here, I guarantee you'll see a ton of new growth and your roses will be loaded with blooms in no time. Hey there, don't go anywhere. I have another piece of advice right here that you don't want to miss out on. Listen, here is one of my other secrets for growing great roses. Epsom salt, hydrated magnesium sulfate. Now, you just want to take like a large tablespoon of that. You could sprinkle it around your roses. You could put a tablespoon of that into a gallon of water and use it as a foliar spray. If you're going to be planting new roses, you can take a large spoonful of that and put it into your hole before you plant your roses. And what that's going to do is it's going to increase the magnesium levels in the soil, which is going to increase the chlorophyll production. And your leaves are going to be extra dark green. It's going to produce more leaves, more foliage, more blooms. It's just great stuff to have in your garden. So be sure to pick up some Epsom salt. Well, that pretty much does it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. And if this helped you out at all, please hit that subscribe button and smash the like button. It really helps me out a lot. Don't forget to hit the bell icon because that way you'll always be notified when I upload a video and you'll never miss out when I upload a video. And hey, share this video with somebody who maybe enjoys gardening or wants to get into gardening, or it's just someone who you think might benefit from some of the advice and tips that I've given here today. I'm sure they'd appreciate it. Well, leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. Well, I guess that does it for this video. It's been a real pleasure, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye for now.